guys, this is Michelle. Welcome back to the Food Health Nutrition Wealth YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be going through our weekly meal plan. So this is typically the video that I put up once a week, but the difference this week is that I'm not going to be doing a grocery haul. As many of you are probably doing, I'm trying to use what we have on hand, and I'm going to be shopping from our pantries essentially. So I am using my normal weekly meal plan sheet that I created. This time I'm going to be doing it electronically. Not everyone does paper and manual meal planning. They do it electronically as well sometimes. So I will be doing that this way this week. And so I'll get right into it and show you how we're going to make our meals work this week. Okay, so I've zoomed you in a little bit here. So you may notice a few differences to the sheet that I created. I put a date at the top now so that it can be used to track which day we're working with here. So this week, it's going to be somewhat similar to the types of meal plans I've done in the past. So the breakfast is going to be a fast, like we typically do intermittent fasting. Lunch will be when we have our typical kind of breakfast type meal, and I have kind of weekends we do things a little bit differently, have unique kind of breakfasts, but then during the week you can see here Monday, Tuesday to Friday, we kind of keep it simple, usually some sort of omelet with some sort of veggies in there and avocado, or in this case, if you remember from my Costco haul, I was able to get some of the guacamole individual cups. And that's in lieu of having to buy fresh avocados every week and trying not to go out grocery shopping as frequently. So that is actually what we'll be using for the omelets there. And then going into our dinners, we have some beef hot dog sausages with spring salad for the Saturday. And then on Sunday and Monday, planning on having a broccoli and beef bowl with cheddar sauce, and that'll be prepped on Sunday and then had left over for Monday. Then on Tuesday and Wednesday, I'm going to be making a cream of chicken and spinach soup. So in my freezer, I do have bone broth, chicken bone broth that I've made previously, and we do also have chicken breasts in there. So I'll be using that to make this soup. We also do have some spring baby spinach that we had from last week. That was a large container that we didn't quite get through. And that's a good tip you guys can use. You know, if you have some baby spinach or something similar that you don't quite get through, instead of it going past its date and then you maybe throwing it out, you can always choose to, at that point before it is expired, to cook it up into a soup or into a casserole or something like that, so that you're still getting to use up all your produce, and it extends it longer. All right, and then Thursday, we're going to be doing trout with Brussels sprouts, and then Friday we'll have an easy day of having some sort of tuna salad sandwich with chaffle buns. So that is the plan for this week. Like I said, I'm not intending to go out shopping at all. We're using what we have, making do, and then for snacks and that kind of thing, we have almonds and cheddar on hand. I do plan on making some low-carb blueberry muffins. I do have frozen blueberries in my freezer, and we do have almond flour, so that can, I'll make an adaptation of a current recipe I have based on what ingredients I have on hand right now. And then on Sunday, like I said, I will be doing some meal prep, and that will include the soup, the beef and broccoli bowl, and low-carb blueberry muffins. So that just makes it easier during the week to be able to pull from those and use them. I am working from home right now, and despite that, I still like to make it easier for myself during the week, and we'll be doing that meal prep. So that's the plan for this week. I'd be really interested to know what you guys are doing for your meal plan this week. How has it changed since maybe you're working from home now or not going out shopping as frequently in order to, try to flatten the curve, as they say. So yeah, if you want to put it in the comments below and let me know what you're doing, that'd be really interesting. Maybe we can give each other some ideas on different recipes and substitutions that people are making. And that's it. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't already, consider subscribing. I do make these weekly meal planning videos. And also, when I do grocery hauls, I will be showing those as well. And as well, I do weekly recipe videos to show different types of recipes that I'm making and that kind of thing. So yeah, if you're not already subscribed, we'd love to have you come back and join us for those videos. And until next time, bye-bye.